Hey, good afternoon guys. I'm gonna share you my best tip to get that hair silky smoothie and with a nice curl and without too much heat. This one, it's the Babyliss Pro, as you can see it like this. Babyliss Pro, I love this one. I used it already all my, life as a hairdresser, which is about 10 years right now. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to transform your hair to a nice curl. Very important is to do oil or an Olaplex, for example, the smoothing cream, before you are using it. I already did it in my hair this morning when I washed it, after I washed it, but I'm gonna use it again to get that extra heat protection. Just a little bit of oil. So this is gonna maybe take only 2 minutes. I always start at the back. What I do is also I turn it around a little bit extra. Maybe do this one the other side. Let it cool like that. Now the other side. Brushing it from the roots to the ends until the hair is fully in the brush. And pull it out. And I always do here on the back, just to be sure. So right now, go with your hands through your hair, and you've got nice Hollywood curls without an iron or a curling wand. Alright, I hope you liked it. See you next time.